How to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to Xbox. If you just picked up a Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset and you're looking to get it connected to your Xbox, whether it's Xbox One or Xbox Series XS, you've come to the right place. Today I'll walk you through how to easily connect the Stealth 500 to your Xbox. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. Inside the box, you should have the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset, the wireless transmitter, a USB charging cable, and the necessary audio cables. Now, take the wireless transmitter and plug into one of the USB ports on the front or back of your Xbox. The transmitter needs power, and this is how it connects to your Xbox console. Turn on your Xbox console, and now it's time to power on your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. Simply press and hold the power button on the headset until you see the power indicator right up. You should see the LED light on the transmitter blink indicator. It's searching for the headset. To pair the headset with the wireless transmitter, press and hold the sync button on the transmitter for a few seconds until the light starts blinking rapidly. Once paired, you'll want to make sure your Xbox is outputting audio to headset. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy your games with high quality sound and crystal clear communication on your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset.